First step of obturation is master cone selection. Master cone ideally should be same size as master apical file. Before we begin the lateral compaction technique, we must verify three very important criteria. First of all, gutta should see its working length and not be able to be pushed beyond the working length. Second, it should exhibit a sensation of slight resistance when removing the cone from the canal. This is called tuckback. Third criteria is spreader size not less than 25 should fit 1 to 2 mm short of the working length along the side of the master cone. Now let's look at this short clip that demonstrates tuckback more clearly. When we gently pull on the gutta there is a slight resistance before it comes out. It shows us the cone is well adapted to the apical construction and we have proper cone selection. In this clip, you can see a size 25 spreader being inserted alongside the master gutta cone. The spreader is gently advanced until it reaches about 2 mm short of the working length. This creates space for the accessory cone while maintaining the position of the master cone at the apex. After selecting master cone and spreader, we confirm master cone with a periapical radiograph. And then we perform the final irrigation and dry the canal using paper points. Sealer is mixed and then we place thin layer of sealer in the canal using master cone or K-file. The master cone is coated with sealer and inserted and seated in the canal to working length. After the spreader has been placed to its maximum depth, it is removed by rotating it back and forth as it is withdrawn. An accessory cone is placed in the space vacated by the spreader. Accessory points are selected to closely match the size of the spreader that is used. Accessory cones are also coated in sealer before placement in the canal. As more accessory cones are added, the spreader will seat less and less deep in the canal. The process is repeated until the spreader no longer be placed more than approximately 4 mm below the level of the orifice. Another periapical radiograph is taken to confirm in this stage. When the appropriate level of obturation is reached, the gutta-percha cones are seared off at the desired level. An electrically heated plugger or gutta cut can be used to sear off the cones. If an orifice barrier is to be placed, the desired level of the gutta-percha is 1 to 2 mm apical to the level of the facial cemento-enamel junction or the pulp chamber floor. If an orifice barrier is not placed, then the gutta-percha is brought to the level of the facial cemento-enamel junction or the pulp chamber floor. A cold hand plugger is used to plug the remaining gutta-percha vertically, filling any coronal voids and creating a smooth surface of gutta-percha in the coronal aspect of the canal. Finally, we remove any remaining sealer from the pulp chamber using cotton soaked to alcohol. We confirm the obturation with a final periapical radiograph.